Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Rheem Tankless water heater error code E5 causes reset and repair troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Reset the water heater. First, turn off the water heater using the power button and unplug the unit or switch off the circuit breaker. Now wait for at least 5 minutes and then restore power and turn the unit back on. And now check if the E5 error code has cleared. Fix 2. Check water flow. Make sure the main water supply valve is fully open and verify that all hot water valves connected to the heater are open. Check for any clogged faucets, shower heads, or filters and clean any blocked aerators or screens. Then test the heater again. Fix 3. Clean the inlet water filter. Turn off the water heater and shut off the water supply. Now locate the cold water inlet filter and remove and rinse the filter under clean water. Then reinstall the filter and restore the water supply and turn the heater back on. Fix 4. Inspect venting and airflow. Check the air intake and exhaust vent for obstructions. Now remove any leaves, dirt, nest or debris and ensure vent pipes are securely connected. Then restart the heater and check for the error. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.